And so as a team, we recognize that there's definitely an overrepresentation of Black children and racialized children in foster care, and that's a great concern for us as a team, and also for the agency as well. And then so with our team, what we're able to do is offer that cultural lens to foster families, where foster families can connect with us and have conversation about, how do we comb a young person's hair, what's important for their diet, what's important for their skincare, some of those nuances that normally foster parents don't have access to that information. For young people, particularly children growing up in foster homes, seeing Black workers means something to them. Representation means something to them, and they feel that when they see the face of a Black worker or racialized worker, they feel that there's a connected connection that can happen that normally does not happen with other folks who are involved. And so I think that's critically important in forming a child's identity, that they're seeing professional people working with them, that they know that they have a community that supports them, that understands them. We know the challenges of Black children out there. And so as Black workers and racialized workers, we don't, there's a lot that we already know that other folks will still need to learn about. And so we know the challenges of children in the community, what Black children faces. We know the challenges that they face in school system. We know the challenges they face in youth justice. And so, we have an understanding of how do we change the trajectory of some of these young people who are having poor outcomes when it comes to child welfare and leaving child welfare. And so these are all the consideration and the support that we can offer, foster parents who are caring for Black children. Identity means something, and honoring and respecting the identity and the voice of that child in the home. And so some of the things that, Black children and racialized children learn naturally being in a home environment, they don't have those opportunities to learn those things. And so we as a team can bring that into the home and can mentor and share our own knowledge, our own lived experience with foster parents, and that could only lead to more positive outcome. And so we just want to collaborate and join with foster parents and share our knowledge and our experience and our expertise, because that young person and that child, is not in their own home, but at least they're still connected to a level of culture that can support them, because we know that culture forms positive identity to young people. And in that identity building, plays a significant role in the outcome for young people who are in care. And so that's why we believe the work that we're doing is so critically important, and want to partner with folks who are caring for Black children. And we know that we don't have an abundance of Black foster parents, and there's sometimes it's necessary to place Black children in homes that are not reflective of themselves. And so we try to bridge that gap for foster parents and bring some of those knowledge and experience to them.